My name is Kimon Bukas, and I'm going to be demonstrating how we can do decision capture with Floe emails. In this scenario, an employee fills an online Varo form to request a holiday. This triggers a Floe email to his manager. This is just an example, of course, as the trigger could be something completely different. We'd like to add two buttons to the email to allow the manager to approve or reject the request. Here, we can determine whether we'd like to add a button or a link. We can also determine the button text, its font size, and its color. When the manager clicks on the button, an email will be sent to the SAP system, which we can then process. The action field determines what data we're going to be sending back to the system. In this scenario, we want to send a variable containing the ID of the form that we want to process, as well as an identifier that will tell the system whether to approve or reject. We can also determine the subject and the body of the inbound email. Let us now also add a button to reject the email. Here, our action is going to have an R on it to tell the system that this is an email we'd like to reject. Let us also add some padding to our content, and click Save. When the manager replies to the notification email, assuming all security checks are passed, the inbound user exit will run. Here, we can write custom ABAP code to approve or reject the request. In the user exit, the following import parameters are available: the email address of the sender, along with the subject, body, and any attachments on the inbound email. We also have the special action code of the button that triggered the inbound email, as well as the ID of the original notification email, which we can use to fetch extra data if required. We can easily use import parameter IAMAction to extract the ID of the holiday request and to work out if we're approving or rejecting. We can also read any comments added by the manager to the email body. Based on that information, we can approve or reject the holiday request. In either case, the database will be updated and the employee will receive a notification email informing him of the outcome. Let's now see how it all hangs together. First, the employee submits a holiday request. The manager receives an email and decides to approve it. The employee should then receive a notification email stating that his holiday request has been approved.